Okay guys, let's compare Unity and MacBook Pro M3 versus LG Gram 16 with Core i7 13th generation, both at around 30% battery. This one is 28, this one is 29, so it's about the same. Okay, let's first start the Windows. Starting the timer and build started. Let's start here, starting the timer, build started. Okay, 3 seconds behind. They were previously built, so cache is ready. Everything is imported. So now we'll just see what the regular build times will be. Actually, the Windows is ready at 30 seconds. That is strange. Okay, 32 seconds for the macOS. Maybe the previous test wasn't a bit unfair because I was building Intel and Silicon, so I'll just build Intel just like in Windows, so we see if there is any difference. Okay, again near 3 seconds delay. So that seems to be a lot faster. So let's try one more time, this time to build just the silicon. Okay. .5 seconds delay. So yeah, the Mac is much faster. Okay, let's run on one more test. This time both machines are plugged into the power, and I'll be building into a new empty folder, and we'll also build for Intel 64-bit on both machines. So let's start with the Windows. And now the Mac. Seems the Mac is ready. I also changed one line of code just before build them to make sure that scripts are recompiled. So yes, Windows is much slower, and also when you compile in editor, the Mac is much faster.